When I work with clients one-on-one, my approach is to step them through the expert's guide to backtesting process, and I check every single stage. Now, obviously, with a group, it's pretty hard for me to do that. But what I like to do is make sure that the understanding is there on the concept. Why? What is this step about? What does it do? What's it help us with? Then how do we actually run it? And then the code, do I actually understand it? And then the analysis. Am I evaluating the results correctly? And it's often the evaluation which gets people trapped or tripped up. Because when you first do an optimization, it's like, oh yeah, that one's the best one. And then you run the next parameter. It's like, oh yeah, that one's the best one. And you just go, yep, cool, this is easy. And then you start losing money in real time. It's like, what the hell went wrong? And it's because it's a little more subtle than picking the best parameter set.